Okay, so my husband's birthday is in 2 weeks, and he's been wanting a flat top griddle for a while, and he doesn't know. He doesn't know, but I ordered him one, and I told him he has a present coming in, and I said, if it comes in early, do you want it? He said, yeah. I just carried in all the Walmart delivery and that I ordered for my husband. See how he likes it to start off with, and then we'll go from there. He's trying to make his appearance in the video. But yes, it's been a busy couple days trying to get everything together for husband's birthday. He's having quite a bit of family coming down, and we're trying to get everything ready and prepared as it is. And he says that he don't want to know what it is, but he don't mind getting it early. So while me and Raymir have a couple of days off of work, we've been trying to figure out where we're going to put it so when he comes in, he don't see. I think I'm going to leave it here is what I am thinking. Okay, hubby is on his way home from work, so we're going to surprise him with this gift. He's pulling up, y'all. Look over the house. There's baby stuff everywhere. I feel like it's my birthday present. You ready, Raymir? Okay, I just raised the garage for him, y'all. That's scary. Let me Jesus, boy. Excited. Dad, I can't wait. Yeah, you scared the crap out of them when you home. Here you go. I'm just recording you. Yes, I'm recording. Yes, I do know that. And I know you married to something else. He looked straight at me like, yeah, well, are you full of surprises?
Get set up, John. Get set up. Get set up. I don't know. Do I need to walk in here right now?
I don't know, do you?
I don't know.
Yeah, I did a little straightening up.
Pow pow down. Why you pow pow in my hand?
You're right.
Hey, baby.
Okay, baby.
Come on, baby. I'm finna get you. Come on. Hit mama. What's up? Now what's going on right here? I feel like I get plotted on. Baby, for real?
For real.
Hell yeah. Woo! Nobody go down right here, bud. Yeah, you did that, buddy. Yeah, you win. Talk about it. You win. Yeah, you crush, so you shit it on. Guarantee you shit it on. Oh, yeah. That's why you ain't about the propane. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm going to get one of them today. Son, boy, let me tell you something. Son.
I told
Okay.
you. I said
I
I put some thought into
I
it.
see how, yeah, you need to help get that in the house, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's heavy. Thank you, baby.
Happy early
baby.
birthday. You welcome, baby. The cheeser, boy.
Drew, you ain't told me nothing. How dare you? You probably told me what's going on right here, Drew. Yeah, baby said she wants some burgers, some hibachi. Yeah. I got you, baby. I got whatever you want. Yes, ma'am.
I told you that you was really gonna like it.
Hell yeah.
Now, in order to confuse you so that you wouldn't try to figure certain things
I would
out,
have never thought that. I would have never thought that.
you notice how I kept saying it's these and that, and I got a couple of them to try to throw you off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would you have a couple of? Like,
Yeah.
okay.
And Cordershay was talking about grills and this, and I'm like, stop talking about that. I don't want him to think about it.
It never occurred to me. I never thought about it.
Good.
Like the whole setup out here.
Yeah. You want to go show them the other grills you got in the back?
You can, baby.
Okay.
Let's see here.
I know you ready.
Sit down.
I feel you. I feel you.
Ooh, air feel good air.
Now put that day in. Happy early birthday. I hope you enjoy it.
You ready, man? You can't tell nobody nothing. Big head.
This is my husband's, like if he just wants to smoke something on there, this is the one he had first. And then he has this one also. So we'll probably put the other one in the garage. But yeah, he's set up.